comic crazy. Hiccup and away. Honk! I'm ready! I've got the hiccups! What a funny way to start my day! It's not quite as funny the second time. Good morning, Gary. It's time for breakfast. It's time for breakfast. It's time for breakfast. It's time for breakfast. How about some food? Meow. Don't worry. It'll take more than hiccups to trip me up. Oops. Sorry, pal. I gotta go to work. You know, SpongeBob, I've got a surefire cure for those hiccups. Really? You do? Sure, just try dusting my living room shelves. Works for me every time. Gee, thanks, Squidward. Sucker. Crash. Boom. Bash. Oh no! Look what you did to Glassy! I'm sorry, Squidward, but your idea didn't work. Do you have any other ideas? Yes! Go bother Patrick! And so, the best thing to do is stand on your tongue and hold your breath. Like this? Aw, tartar sauce. I'll never get rid of these hiccups. Oh, you have the hiccups? Well, what did you think I said? I thought you said you had the hiccups. I do have the hiccups. Oh well, the best thing to do is stand on your tongue. Never mind. Well, you came to the right place, SpongeBob. Hiccup! We Texans have a hiccup cure that goes back to the days of the Alamo. Let me have it! Glug, glug, glug. Hey! That's not the hiccup cure, SpongeBob. That was my laundry detergent. I hate to go to work in this condition, but Mr. Krabs is counting on me. But soon, what's taking so long? Hurry it up! I'm starving! You call this a Krabby Patty? I want my money back! Settle down, you scurry dogs. If there's a problem in me restaurant, I'll see to it. What the halibut is going on here? I'm sorry, Mr. Krabs. I can't help it. I've got the hiccups. Real bad. Did you stand on your tongue? Yes. Did you dust Squidward's shelves? Yes. How about laundry detergent? Yes, yes. I've tried them all. Well, it looks like there's only one thing left to do. You'll have to take a trip to Hiccup Island. Hiccup Island? No, not Hiccup Island. Just Hiccup Island. Look here. Ever since Flemmy McWilterson caused the wreck of the SS Glottis, it's been the custom of the sea to banish all hiccuping sailors to this island of lost souls. But I'm not a sailor, Mr. Krabs. I'm a fry cook. Aye, that's what Flemmy McWilterson said too. Come on, lad, I'll take you there meself. Later out on the far end of Goo Lagoon, So what do people do on Hiccup Island? What do you think? They hiccup. Anything else? Aye, lad. They cry. Then they drink their own tears and cry some more. You'll be back for me soon, won't you, Mr. Krabs? Sorry, boy. No one ever comes back from Hiccup Island. Is that who I think it is? Aye, it's the Flying Dutchman. But I thought he lived in Davy Jones's locker. Yes, but he summers here on Hiccup Island. Ahoy, Krabs. I see you brought another lost soul to wallow here in eternal misery. Aye, Dutchman, he be afflicted with the hiccups. Did he try standing on his... Yes, he did all that. Well, if you think this wretched dog has what it takes, let's hear him hiccup. Go on, SpongeBob, hiccup for the Flying Dutchman. Well, I'm waiting. Okay. Just a second. I'm a little bit nervous. Come on, lad, you're making me look bad. Well, I'm sure there's one coming. I haven't got all day. I want to hear you hiccup, and I want to hear it now. But... I said hiccup now! I can't do it, I'm sorry. Well, you can't come to Hiccup Island. You can't even hiccup. Now scram. It's a miracle, SpongeBob, you're cured! Does that mean we can go back now? Yes, run, boy, let's get back to work. Yippee! It worked! We scared the hiccups right out of him! Thanks, Flying Dutchman, I owe you one. I've gotta say, that's a pretty contrived way to cure your fry cook of the hiccups. Aye, my method may be elaborate, but it works every time, ha! Hick, 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 hick. Uh-oh. The end.